Yes, boys and girls, so I have just taken delivery of this BMW 3 Series sitting behind me. It is currently in gloss black and it is in for a exterior wrap. Now the colour itself is very unique. It's not widely available in the UK. In a few moments, if you just bear with this video, I'm gonna just go ahead and start wrapping, and hopefully you will see why this colour is special. The car is now stripped, washed, prepped, decontaminated, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna start with the bonnet and then move on to the wings and then knock out the rest of the car. Oops. Okay, so the car is now complete and ready to be collected. I'm just going to spin the camera around and show it to you. Look at that, what a transformation. So you can see I've changed the front grille, tinted the headlights, wrapped the exterior of the car. It's had a body kit fitted to it, which includes the splitter, the side skirts and the rear diffuser. Taillights were tinted in medium smoke along with the reflectors. I'm just going to quickly show you a few details of how it looks. So that area over there was wrapped, the bumper area was all wrapped inside. The roof corners are looking like this. And when you open up the doors, that is how it's going to look. So the original color is black. You see all of this is finished nicely. Same with over here. The front door was removed to get this area here wrapped. And then the front bumper, if you want to look at the front bumper up close, that is how it looks. And that's the back bumper. So if you like what I've done, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, share it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.